Hi guys. So everybody has been asking me about the braid knot in the macrame pillow YouTube video, and I just thought I should make a short tutorial to sort of explain that since the video didn't quite capture it correctly. So let's get started. Alright, so let's see how to tie the braid knot. I'm going to take this macrame cord that's going to be my braiding cord, and I'm just going to take some of this jute rope to act as my holding cord. Anyway, so I have 3 holding cords. Sorry, it's too tiny, but this is my working cord. So all I have to do is pass it through the first holding cord, and then through this loop you pull out the ends and then tighten this. So this is your first knot. So for the second knot, you basically go round the second cord. This is the second holding cord, and then you pass both these ends through this loop here. Okay, and then you're going to pull this on this side. So that's your second braid knot. And then for the third braid knot, imagine this is your holding cord. You just go around the third holding cord and then pass it between the 2 macrame cords. Right, and then you pull this and this becomes your third. And if you want to make another one, I'm just going to use this. It's going to be basically your holding cord around and through this loop, and then just pull it. So that's it. That's your braid knot, or that's what I call a braid knot. Hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.